This video is not sponsored, we just genuinely love this permanent outdoor lighting. We got 2 boxes of the 100-foot length for 200 feet for our whole house. And in each box there are these lights. They're kind of interesting, like each light is square and on the back is sticky. These are clips that it comes with, and then these are extra clips that we got off of Amazon, which we're so glad we did. Those are the screws that we used, and they also come with extra stickies in the box as well. In case any of them become unstuck over time, we wanted to make sure that everything was just screwed in, so we kind of went the extra mile. This is your power box, or your power. We decided to just use it from our phone. But our house is pretty tall. We couldn't find any friends that had a ladder tall enough to get to the very, very top of our house, so Dallin had to run to the store and grab a freaking tall ladder. We got a 32-foot ladder. Dallin's testing out the lighting on his phone, and the app is super friendly. We're going to show you how to use that in a minute. And then I'm standing far back just trying to see where we want to place our lights in terms of underneath our house, if we want them to be close to the house, in the middle, or on the edge. And we went for closer so that they would have a better reflection onto the house. Dallin started out by cleaning this one spot and decided that would take forever, so tossed out the rag and decided to just make sure that each light was screwed in, like I said. So we ended up using all of the clips that came in the boxes, and then we ended up using the Amazon clips as well. If you're wanting a clip to go on every single light like we did, then you're going to want to end up using the Amazon clips, which we have linked below. Something cool about these lights is they're going to last you 50,000 hours, which means that if they're on for 12 hours every day, they're going to last you 11 years. Here, Dallin is connecting 2 of the strands together, and you can connect up to 9 strands on one outlet. This part of the house was definitely the easiest because he's on the balcony, so he doesn't have to be on the tall ladder. He's able to work a lot quicker, but he's just taking off that sticky part and sticking it up, and then he goes back and puts on the clips, which he found was the easiest way and the quickest way, if you can, to just kind of stick them and then go back through and drill them in place. Okay, here's the Govee app. It's very user-friendly. Under this color option, this is where you're going to make all your custom creations. So I created one called Elf, and I clicked every single light, every other one, red and green. So then I saved it underneath this snapshot list, and when I come here, I have my Elf option saved. I also made one called Candy Cane. So if I click on that, all of a sudden it's red and white. If we go back on music, you can sync your phone to your voice. You can sync it to a song. And then if you click on scene, this is going to show you all these different holiday options. So the one that's playing right now is called Christmas Gift. And there's also just a simple Christmas option that changes all the lights that fade in and fade out. This one's called Christmas Tree, and it kind of looks like ornament colors like change around. So anyways, there's lots of different holidays. There's St. Patrick's Day, New Year's and fireworks, and there's Valentine's Day, which will be all pink, and then of course Halloween. There's a few different Halloween custom options which are fun. Something I wanted to show is that under the music option, when you decide what song or whatever, you can also do this is called rolling. So this is the rolling effect. It changes colors and it'll roll all the way around your house. This is hopping. This is heart beating, which just is kind of every so often, pretty soft. This is shiny, kind of intense. We're gonna wake up our kids, I'm sure. This one's luminous, which is just a massive party house, and energetic. So you can really customize all of the colors, all of the options. I'm gonna come back here. I'm gonna click on my Elf and go back to what it was. Our neighborhood is so dark. We're so excited to have these bright lights that we don't ever have to take down. We also really like that, like I mentioned, if we have lights over one of our kids' windows, we can turn off those lights or dim them down. which is great. So if we want to have lighting all night long, we can, but we can definitely customize it to our family and our house. And we're so happy about it. Thanks for watching. Click the link below to get yours. And if you're looking for more holiday decor, click here.